make you feel like the Why this make you feel like the What I'm gonna feel this make you feel like the You already know that
Laugh at me. Ladies, I'm talking to my ladies right now. Ladies, if you're proud of your figure, you're proud of how you look, make some noise to me right now. Ladies, don't let no female intimidate you with her waist trainer. All my females who know you don't need a waist trainer, put your hands in the air. When you see some girl that look for you, you look back for her and tell her this and this. Everybody who better when you come from, put your hands in the air. Let's go! Let's go!
If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much means I did not say that. What more that you can we can do it on that I'm short, somehow you got extra, forget me not.
Okay. Everybody in here who know you ate something before you came to the fair, put your hand in the air right now. A lot of people is hungry right now. I want to big up every Haitian in the building on some real talk because Haitian people, the movement is heavy right now. Ça passe? Let me tell you something about my Haitian people right now. Jump it.
DJ.
Everybody go like this. DJ. Like this. Like this. Like this. Up there. Up there. Go. Champion. We are champion. DJ Stacks or something, bro.
I like this right here. Round of applause for my ladies on stage. Round of applause for my ladies. Now listen, we played the little carnival, played the soca, played some reggae, right? But there's a lot of Haitians out here, Nasheen. There's a lot of Haitians out here. So I want you to play the record. When this record come on, to watch this. Listen. I said, ça passe. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. It's only right. Nasheen, it's only right.
Yo, big up Serrani in the building. If you want to see Serrani, make some noise. If you want to see Rupi, make some noise. Yo, I swear to God. Stacks. I've never been to Haiti before, bro. You need to take me to Haiti. Because I see some nice, beautiful females in the building. So, I want to play a song, because Stacks, we played everything. And you know, we versatile, international. You feel me? I want to play a song for these nice ladies on the stage. And I want to play a song for all the ladies in the building that got kids and proud of your stretch marks. Ladies, if you know you look good, scream for me, please. Jump.
You know.
Oh, yeah.
Young rich niggas.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so we ain't really never had no old money.
If you 25 or under, let's go. Let's get this shit
got a whole lot of new money though.
Let's go. Let's go. Ready, go.
Hey. Raindrop, drop, smoking like cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come. Grab me your gun and keep people to shots.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. that went to school, everybody that went to school, you know left from right, I want to see the whole place. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put up. Come on in, my nigga.
That's it, right?
Come on in, bro. Hold up, come here. Stacks, come here for a minute. We got an exit. You know, we stars. If y'all proud of me and Stacks right now, make some noise. Sapase!